komiti yagotegerera ebirengererio igoro ry'omurubirio CBC nigochaka emirimo rituko ryankyo nigochinga kiechie kiombe kia balimu gia kupet bono banyarire kuburia komiti ekoneke bunango wabwataniere bali batenete nsemo yechisemia sobwamo eri kanyara kure ebirengerero byabekora wachigotegerera igoro ry'omurubirio CBC chinga kiechie nigobono kupet yanyarire kuburia balimu wesoke batabwati wabonde bwense na gukwanera igoro ry'omurubirio CBC ali bagwetera eri bono banyare gosanga sobwamo gose omurubulino chikogendera wasikolengana nokugania kwabo.
We will have representatives to hear out our issues on CBC. What we are saying is that the system may be good or it may have issues here and there, but we want to ask that there must be involvement of all Kenyans. And the issues that we want addressed is one, education must not be expensive. We want an education that is affordable for our parents, for all our societies. We want an education that will not only be for the elite. We want an education that will be learner-centered.
So now you have an opportunity. It was said it was rushed in the initial when they were starting that program. There might have been no adequate stakeholder participation. Approach us also, give us the memorandum if you want us to present on your behalf. We will just read what you have said. So please sit down, come with a document, brainstorm. Na views yako isikuwe ni views ya stifle the other people's views. You say yours, let them others say. Lakini at the end of the day, we will have a report that will guide that education for our children in the future.